What's good, y'all? Today we're gonna learn how to play Please Don't Fall in Love with Me by Khalid, and this is a sample of what it's gonna sound like. So please don't fall in love with me. 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 Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I have a capo here on the 6th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. There's 4 chords for the entire song, and those chords are C major 7, B minor 7, A minor 7, and E minor 7. Alright, y'all, and here's how you play the chords. Okay, so the first chord is a C major 7. We can play this one of 2 ways. The first way is an open C major 7, so we're going to put our finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and the 3rd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Alright, the second way to play it is we can play it on the 3rd fret. So we'll bar the 3rd fret and put our finger on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string. It's going to sound like this. Alright, so it's really up to your preference. The second chord is the B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and put our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Alright, third chord is an A minor 7. So we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. And the final chord is an E minor 7, so we're just putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. So if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And it's like that throughout the entire song. Alright, y'all, thank you for tapping into this tutorial. Hopefully it added value to you and it helps you out. And if it did, please go ahead and share this video, comment down below, like the video, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, if you want more videos like this. And right now there's going to be some more tutorials that are going to pop up on the screen. Feel free to check any of these out, and I'll see y'all on the next one.